Okay, so to work our single crochet increase, we're going to go and make a single crochet in our next stitch. So we're going to insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both. Then we're just going to go right back into that same stitch, nice and easy, and do another single crochet. So yarn over, pull up a loop, and then pull through two. So that is a single crochet increase. You might also see it written as SC 2 times the next stitch, or single crochet 2 times the next stitch, and you can use that for anything. So if it says single crochet 3 times in your next stitch, you're going to insert your hook, make a single crochet, go back in, make another one, and then go back in and make another one. As many as they tell you to make, you just keep going back into that same stitch. So that is the single crochet increase, the super fast stitch refresher. If you need a much slower, more in-depth video, check out my single crochet increase videos, and thank you for watching.